AGBA stock analysis tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. AGBA Group Holding Limited. Where is he heading next? What the hell's going on? Yeah, 2%. This is where just sitting just below $2 and it's 6% now for the day. So it's a little bit of an interesting, unusual way. What I was waiting for, like what was stopping me from really being bullish here was this second break. This is why I always say confirmation, because guess what? I just, imagine I was bullish just from here. I would have been wrong because this just took complete turns. Does that mean it's going to be like this forever? Not at all. Not at all. Like if I see a double break, I'm still going to be bullish. So I'm just kind of open to this idea and just observing what's happening next. So the moment we start breaking these highs, the moment that I'm bullish. In the meantime, I'm just waiting. So that being said, if you want to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. There's a free course. See you in the next one.